In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test the camera on Skype in just about 5 minutes. First off, let's dive right into the process of ensuring your video calls are as smooth as butter. The very first thing you want to do is to head on over to the Skype website. Once you're there, look for the option that says Open Skype in Browser. Click on it. This will prompt you to sign into your account if you aren't logged in already. It's a straightforward process, and in no time you'll be seeing your Skype dashboard. Now here's where it gets a tad more interesting. Look towards the top left part of your Skype dashboard. You'll see 3 tiny dots that might seem unassuming at first glance. However, these dots are your gateway to a multitude of settings. Click on them. After clicking the 3 dots, a menu will pop up. From this menu, you're looking for the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where Skype houses all its customization features, enabling you to tweak your Skype experience to your liking. Within the Settings menu, you want to navigate to the Audio and Video tab. This is where you can adjust your microphone, speakers, and crucially for us today, your camera settings. Upon clicking on Audio and Video, you'll be taken to a page where you can see a preview from your camera. That's not all though. To make sure the correct camera is active, or if you have multiple cameras and want to switch, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Video Camera. Click on it and you'll be able to see if your current camera is working, or select another one if needed. It's as simple as that. Now there's no reason to start a call without knowing if your camera is working. No more awkward moments where you're talking into the void, wondering if the other person can see you. Plus, checking in advance gives you a moment to adjust your lighting or background to ensure you're putting your best face forward in every call. Remember, these little pre-call checks can make a big difference in how professional and prepared you appear in video meetings or friendly catch-ups. And the great thing about Skype is that it's made this process incredibly user-friendly. That's a wrap on how to test your Skype camera. By following these steps, you can ensure that your video calls are as clear and seamless as possible every single time. Keep tuning in for more tips and tricks that make your digital life easier and more productive.